Hey guys, if you feel tired all the time and can't focus, watch this video to the end because I'm going to share the benefits of testosterone replacement therapy. It changed my life. I've been on TRT for a while now, and I want to be real about how it changed my life. I'll also share a link to Fountain TRT, a great online provider I've been using that will get you some savings. Let's get into it. I noticed some major changes in my body and mood. I was tired all the time, had trouble focusing, and honestly, I felt off. My workouts were going nowhere, and my motivation was at an all-time low. I decided to try TRT, and after some research, I tried Fountain TRT. I love how Fountain TRT made it all so easy and fast. The biggest game changer for me was energy. Within a few weeks, I felt like someone had flipped the switch. No more dragging through the day. I wake up ready to crush it. Before TRT, I was hitting the gym hard but seeing almost zero progress. After starting the treatment, I started building muscle again and even smashed some personal records. Strength and recovery went through the roof. Also, brain fog used to be a constant struggle. Since I started using TRT, my focus is sharper and I'm more productive at work and in life. TRT helped stabilize my mood and brought back a sense of confidence I lost. I just feel more like myself again. I also saw an improvement in my sex drive and quality of life. I feel happier, more energized, and focused. Feeling good physically made a huge difference in my overall health and relationship. Now, TRT isn't a magic pill. It's something I committed with the regular checkups and blood work. There are side effects and risks, so it's not something to jump into lightly. I discovered Fountain TRT, one of the best online health providers with a great medical consultants that will guide you and advise you on your TRT use at an affordable price. After I did my health assessment and virtual consult, they prescribed the medication and have kept up with my treatments. TRT has been one of the best decisions I've made for my health. I hope sharing my experience helps anyone who's curious or struggling with similar issues. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to click on the link.